Good morning, everybody. Bad Weather Freak here with another video. It is July 10th, 2019. It is 8:30 in the morning. And just a brief update on Tropical Disturbance 92L, which is soon to become Barry, most likely today. As of this morning, the National Hurricane Center is giving it a 90% chance of development. If you guys have looked in the satellite imagery, you're gonna notice that it's looking more organized. It's definitely looking more organized than yesterday. And as of this morning, is having more cloud convection, more rotation, more thunderstorm activity, more rain. So it's definitely getting stronger as we speak. Another thing is that just about every agency, just about every weather agency, the Weather Channel, Hurricane Center, pretty much everybody is estimating that this storm is going to be a hurricane at landfall. Now, again, the track is still showing the Louisiana coast pretty much. There have been actually a lot of warnings already and watches for river levels. I guess on that area, there's a lot of rivers that are in, they're hitting like peak heights, I guess, or they have a lot of water. So this storm is just gonna make it worse for them. The European model and the GFS Legacy, which is the newest model, is actually showing. Sorry about that. Got distracted. With another car. So it's actually showing that the storm is going to be a strong Category 1 at landfall. So a strong Category 1 at landfall. One thing is catching my eye is that these models are actually forecasting a stronger storm at landfall. And one thing I can tell you this, for keeping track and following other storms, I can tell you that these forecast models are not that great, and they usually have a tendency of making the storms weaker at landfall, or predicting them weaker than actually what they are when they make landfall. So one thing to keep an eye is if these models are forecasting something that decently strong, it's a possibility that I might actually be stronger than that at landfall. I mean, hopefully not, because we don't need anything stronger than a Category 1 hurricane. But it's looking like it, unfortunately. All the ingredients are there. The storm has plenty of warm water right now. The area where it's right now and where it's supposed to go, we're talking about 3 to 4 degrees warmer than average. I mean, the water temperature is almost 90 degrees in that northern part of the Gulf. I mean, that is just insane. So that's something to keep an eye on, because it has plenty of warm water. It has low wind shear. It has some of the ingredients. There's not much left to actually impede the strengthening of the storm. So one thing that I would say is most likely we will have a tropical depression or a tropical storm today. Most likely by probably the 11 p.m. update tonight. Everything is looking that way. If anything changes, like always, I will keep you guys posted. But that's the latest update on Invest 92L, which is soon to become Barry. Take care and have a good day, guys.